Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy English Speaking. So today day 17 of Learn English with me. And first of all, how are you friends? I hope you all are doing great. Whatever you want in your life, whatever you learn on the everyday basis. So you can see here weather is so nice. I think everywhere now weather is so normal, not too much cold in the air. But one thing is, the weather has suddenly changed in 3 or 4 days. Within 3 or 4 days, weather has suddenly changed. This fluctuation, uh, I don't know why this is happening. And one day it's feeling so hot, sun is shining very early, but next day is cold. But today is okay because it is shining day. Weather looks like so nice, beautiful, and that is it is a perfect time to making videos, because in this time when sun is shining and not too much cold, then that time is perfect for any kind of learning, because then I'm not feeling so lazy, lethargic. So nowadays I I am doing again and again, that is procrastination. I procrastinate a lot of, because yesterday I was I think that uh, I I have to making videos in front of camera, so that is long videos. But when time is came, then I again thinking about this. Now no any words and any type of content comes in my mind. That's okay. I will making videos in next days. That procrastination is not good for any learners. If you don't make consistency, then you cannot overcome that fears of speaking in front of camera, even in alone. So that's why I feel very demotivated. But it's okay. Ups and downs is happen everyday life for everyone. So now I am trying to uh, come out with this problem and started my long videos, because if I not making long videos, then how can I speak fluent in English? That's why I very worry about that things, why I am feeling that things nowadays. So today I think even whatever thing is happen, I have to making videos in front of camera. And then I started, I taking a tripod and let's start making videos. So it's all about for today. See you in the next videos. Thanks for watching. If you all are not watching my videos, previous videos, then please go on my channel, watch my videos, like, subscribe and share. Be part of my journey. Thank you. Thanks for watching.